you kind of parang feel na this will be a long game.
Maraming jousts, maraming rallies.
Let's see, yun na nga eh. It's really the game plan.
Handa ka ba?
Eh, di ba masyadong traffic. But you know, it's going to boil down to the game plan and the execution of the game plan.
3-game winning streak for LaSalle. NU is 2-2. Learning a lot of lessons to try to be in the elite, meaning at least to be contending in the playoffs. Yun yung, syempre, yung immediate goal. Everybody wants to go to the championship, there's no question. But the immediate goal, of course, is for them to make it to the Final Four and to make an impact in the Final Four. Because there are some teams who make it to the Final Four, but, you know, exit unceremoniously, diba?
That's right. Yung, they just parang barely make it. Pero, you know, but this year, you have a lot of strong teams. You have a lot of contenders, so which really makes it more exciting.
And NU is now being obviously mentioned in these high-level games, which you would never do 4 years ago. But obviously now, with the recruitment that they've done, they're now here competing with the best. Billy Capistrano joins us from the DLSU side. Let's listen in.
Boom, it is a big game for the Lady Spikers, and they are out to prove that they truly are a force to be reckoned with. Now, according to the coaching staff in today's game, they are going to focus on blocking, seeing as NU is a tall team. Today, we will see the same style of play from the girls, but they are going to adjust a bit to counter NU's strength. I got the chance to talk to team captain Abby Maranyo, and according to her, they are not nervous at all. Kahit na gaano kadikdikan ang laban, ay lalaban pa rin sila hanggang sa dulo. She further added, hindi sila pwedeng kabahan dahil pag ginawa nila ito, mawawala ang tiwala nila sa team. Boom.
Thank you very much, Billy. Reporting from the defending champion side.
Well, Abby Maranyo, definitely, I don't think kakabahan pa yan. She, even in her first year, she kind of looked like that she has played so much volleyball games.
Matibay, ano? Matibay tignan. Urdas. And there, blocked, rejected at the net. We're going to see a lot of that from both these teams today. Let's check in with Apple David from the National U side.
You know what, Woman Mosey, in the dugout before the game, the Lady Bulldogs were in high spirits. They were very energetic, and some were even practicing their dance moves. It goes to show how positive and excited they are in today's game, despite their sorry loss against Ateneo, wherein according to them, the crowd of the opposing team really got the best of them. Now they're more than ready to bounce back. They've talked to each other, saying that they have to maintain focus, not be intimidated by the crowd, and just play their game. As for the game plan, Coach Francis said that the Lady Bulldogs have to tighten up on defense dahil matatangkad at malilikse ang Lady Spikers. Sabi pa ni Coach, kailangan maging sundalo kayo. Laging handa sa mga bala na dadating, huwag iwasan kundi talagin. The Lady Bulldogs are out to prove that they have the killer instinct to win the game. Woman Mosey.
Thank you very much, Apple. Well, you know that whole being bothered by the crowd, kasama na yan sa laban. Lalo na pagka umaangat ka ng level ng laro, mas kakantsawan ka ng crowd. Kasi dati, na medyo 8th place, 7th place ka, the crowd will only cheer for their team and not cheer for the other team. But when you know you're competing already, Mosey, when the crowd is really going at you, not only that, social media, and they have to be able to either not read it, or two, be not sensitive about what they read about themselves or about what is said.
Better nga not to read.
Correct.
Yun yung better choice.
Because the people that you listen to are really your coaches, di ba?
Yeah, para focus. And you want to remain positive most of the time. Hindi mo maalis yung negativity when you lose or yun na nga, when you hear the crowd. But it's all part of the game.
Yep. And some people think they know the players when they watch them on TV. They see medyo nandyan yung angas or kunwari hindi or masyadong mabait o ganyan. Hindi natin alam. We really don't know them. We have to take them into context in the volleyball game. Maangas sila dahil yan ang hinihingi ng coach nila.
That's right.
Diba?
Ng laro.
Oo,
diba?
ng laro. Tama.
Dahil minsan yung kalaban mo, ganun eh. Diba? Meron ding angas. So you just have to follow and assert yourselves.
It doesn't mean necessarily na mayayabang sila. Ang mabait nitong mga kasama natin dito sa Liga, Mosey. Such sweet girls who are just trying to play the game. But just to finish off Apple's report earlier, they start now getting affected because the crowd is getting into it. And that's really, I say, that's a positive sign na pinapansin na kayo, na alam nilang kinatatakutan kayo, or hindi man kinatatakutan, pinaghahandaan.
Yes, and na-threat kayo.
Yun,
Diba?
threat, exactly. All right, now it is Lasal getting into the technical timeout with a 3-point lead. Let's get into a Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break, have a Kit Kat.